my hands is a travel guide. Now, most people will know what a travel guide is and will have come across one at some point in their lives. But the crazy thing is, travel guides have been around since the Roman times. However, the travel guides back then were a bit different to the ones we have today. They were called itinerarians, and unlike modern travel guides, which are more designed for holidays, itinerarians were designed to help Roman citizens navigate Roman roads. For example, let's say you wanted to go from Rome to Pompeii. The itinerarian would tell you all the towns, the cities, the way stations, the watercourses, and things like that that were on the roads that you needed to travel to get there. They also, and this was crazy important, would tell you the distances between each of these stops. Yep, though they didn't have accurate maps back then, they did record the distances between certain points along roads, and these distances were accurate, which massively, and I mean massively, helped increase the number of people who were able to travel long distances because it allowed them to ensure that they had enough food and water to survive the journeys. The lack of knowledge of which stopped many people from making long journeys, which means itinerarians allowed for large numbers of Romans to travel long distances. Yep, a pretty important innovation. The crazy thing is, we have some examples of these itinerarians around today. Perhaps the most famous is the itinerarian engraved on the Vicorello cups, which were discovered back in 1852 and document all the stops, including distances between them, on the roads between ancient Gades, which was an ancient city in Spain, and Rome.